Hey yo, what's up peeps? So today guys, I'm looking to trade and yeah, get color. So today I'm literally just like looking. Okay, so we're in. This guy's trading pinks. Okay, I wanna get some pinks. Mars. Oh wait, I can't spell his name. Mar. Okay, so I hope I can spell his name. Wait, where's his item? No, it's not. Yeah. Yes. You got. Oh wait. Oh wait, no, 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 no. You got pigs, right? Oh, so um, C, C. Nope. Right. C. Alright. So guys. Uh. Uh. Kason. Kason. Okay. Let's see him. Where is he? His name is Mars. Wait. Mars means he. Wait. Yeah. There he is. Okay. Let's see what's up. What the hell? Where's his pings? Thought he had them. Well, he doesn't have them, man. Wait, I'm just. Is that him? Bro, he doesn't have pings. This guy's a scam, man. Man, he does have some omegas and this. Bro, this guy's a scam. Uh, wait. Is that his name? Or no. Only giving that, bro. I'm sorry, but like, man, this trade is bad. But like, I don't want to seem offensive, so no. Who does this guy think he is? That is an epic. And giving an out. So apparently the trade is not fair. So wait, I have to look up speed coil so I can get more speed. Okay, so I'm waiting for a supply drop to come. Yeah, okay, what's up? Who does this guy think he is? Hi guys, so I might not have a lot of rap, but I do have some decent trash. These are bad. I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Bruh, look at this crown. St. Patrick, that's shit. Valentine's, that's bad. Well, I got mad over here. That's bad. I go this manual. What's up? Well, I kinda don't wanna give this stuff. I'm gonna just accept for this. Wait, what the hell? How the hell did you do that? I'm just gonna accept for the sake, like, not because of the rap and because of Steven. Because I have two speed calls and just, like, why not? And this guy, I just, man, what's, what's that? Is that Dominus Ultimate in the shop? Oh my god, that's some good stuff, but I have every single alt right in the game, I guess. All these are mythics. I really want to buy mythics so bad because I rebirthed and I lost everything. I don't now have a lot of things except these alts. These alts are bad, man. I hate alts. Like, I have every single alt in the game, but like, who cares? Uh, I don't care about megas. Wait, I'll try to rejoin another different server because this server is kind of off. Um, by the way, yeah, wait, hold on. Let's try this server. Okay, so what do my friends play? I'm just guessing. Let's see. Yeah, still didn't. Oh yeah, okay, I got him. Uh, what the hell is that name? Wait, LJPIGT. I think that's his name. Wait, is that him? Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 no. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Not now. Please don't, because I want to see what you have. And he has bad items. That's what I expected. Bruh. His inventory is so crap. He is not missing an out. Nice. Wow. Yeah, I'm actually looking for that crazy joy. I have all these. Okay, wait. Let me just check what I can give him for that. Okay, spooky. Just a couple odds, maybe that. Oh, I know actually. Okay, I'll see how about him. Uh, this server is kind of awesome, but let's see if he accepts 20 points. Sorry. Yo, where is he? Mate. Hi guys, I'm kind of sick. I had to sneeze. I don't want to film it because it would be kind of awkward if I film me sneezing. What the hell? Okay, wait. Guys, where is Joe? Answer me. Answer me. Where is Joe? Say, say who's that? Yeah, cause like it's a joke. I just wanted to like Joe. Oh shit, that's kind of savage, boy. Alright, I'm looking for sparkly stuff. Wait, can I get mate? Whatever. I'm kind of sick these days, man. I'm kind of sick, so I'm not gonna talk with like loud voice. Let's see. I cannot. I'm so tempted to wear Lord of Darkness, but I'm not gonna go with the fit. What does it look like if I wear every single like wait every single alt? I wanna see how. I'm so curious. No, bruh, this button doesn't work anymore. Dang. Okay, yeah. Didn't sell them, did I? Okay. So let me just go up, 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 up. Let's see how it looks like. Let me equip this. I'm not gonna equip this one because it's like it gets big and small, so it's kind of annoying. Yep. That and wait, ghostly? Did I wear ghostly dominus? No, I didn't. There it is, ghostly holographic wall. Evil alien head will cover everything, so no. Oh, I look cool. That's cool. That looks sick. Let's try to wear everything. Evil alien head too. I look kind of weird as hell, mate. Yo, just virtual. I'm wearing every out in the game. Bruh, I don't think he's gonna care at all, actually. I don't care about odds. Okay, so UD zone, not really. Okay, wait. Animations, levitation. I have a great idea. Just wait for it, guys. Yeah. Now tell me that isn't good. Yo, look at that, guys. That's a sick combo. I'm just missing. Pack. Do I have it? Yes, I do. Yes, let's go. Okay, wait. Wait, don't ask. Don't ask and don't talk. Okay, we have another thing missing. Where is it? I know it's somewhere here, and I got it from supply drop. There it is. Now that's perfect, boy. Just wait. The man of Kabul of Darkness gets ruining everything. I know for a fact that he sent me a dump trade, so I'm just gonna wait a little to open it. Let's see this dump trade. Yep, I expected it. I really expected that trade. See, the problem with people is like they send dump trades while they expect me to open to accept. I accepted that dump trade because it's not even over $1 billion, so might as well decline. Like I'm not forced to accept. I'm just literally missing the overseer domino crown. If I get it, I'm gonna love life. Guys, see this? Don't click this button, me bad. It's literally like so bad. Okay, I'm gonna sell these because like they're not worth a lot. They're just worth some diamonds, I guess. Another dumb trade. What's up, dude? I told you no, man. Keep sending dumb trades. What's up? So with that, man, can you donate me? Dude, I I desperately want to buy a golden one, but I. Okay, wait. What do I do now? I don't want to buy something from the shop. Oh wait, I have a better idea. Heck yeah, boy. I have the best idea in the world. Hey, okay, so we're now in a private server, I guess. Look at that face, buddy. Okay, so what I wanted to do is, should I do it? Like, I don't know. I can buy a lot of these. Like, I can buy three. Yeah, I can buy three of these. I can buy every single. I can't. No, let me just get supply store. I know what's inbound. No need to tell me that. Inventory, gear. Let's get coil. Where are they? These are a lot of light drops. Let's see what I can get from them. What I can get from this one. Okay, why does this one have to be up here? Wait, gravity coil, let's get up and get it. Hopefully I get something good from one of them at least. Okay, no I won't, but like, it's worth a try. Let's go there and just yeet that one. Nothing good still. Yeet. Oh shit, that's... Bruh, let's go, man. Okay. Okay, let's see what's down there. Oh, damn, bro. I'm getting some sick. There anymore? Like, guys. So, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video right over here. So, guys, I wish you all the best luck in your entire career. And see you next time. Goodbye.